Back here on Primetime Pantaloon, those who are normally used to giving instructions are now sitting in a class and taking some. Top honchos of corporate India are undergoing some serious coaching classes. Find out whether they really put what they learn in the classroom into practice.
This is not some business seminar or even a boardroom presentation. It's a coaching class for corporate honchos to learn how to be good bosses. The students here are senior executives sent by their companies to learn from a master coach from Australia. All of them are being trained to become leaders as their companies expand into new businesses and new geographies. They are also learning how to run a team in the new, more informal business environment where debates are encouraged to help throw up new ideas.
Executive coaching actually helps you to reflect, get answers to the queries that you have, get yourself more focused. And therefore, it is a trend, in fact, which is just beginning.
And it's not just executives but CEOs who are eager to be coached. It is, after all, very lonely at the top. And they too sometimes feel the need for an objective outsider to confide in.
They are being more and more open to say that, look, if I need to make a success of this global organization, I need to talk and have a trusted advisor whom I can bounce ideas off.
Interactive sessions like these also help participants learn new ways to manage goals, emphasizing the importance of teamwork and also showing that work can be fun.
Authentic curiosity on how to unlock the potential of their people as India already is competing on a global market.
So even as these executives, some of them CEOs and heads of HR, attend coaching sessions like these, the challenge really is to put it in practice and develop more leaders within their organization. It definitely is a welcome change from yesteryears when the bosses would be just that, to today when they're open to more suggestions and coachings like these. It is a small beginning, but a beginning nonetheless. Supriya Srinath for NDTV.
That's it then on Business Primetime. Thanks for watching, but stay with us here on Profit for all the very latest on that Mittal Arcelor bid.